Blackberry Motion, and let me show you how to enable backup data on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Use apps icon right here, choose settings, scroll down, and here let's find and select the system. Choose here the backup. As you can see here, you have to make sure that you've got enabled backup to Google Drive. So let me do it again. Let's enable backup to Google Drive, and then you need to add the backup account. So let's tap on account. The phone is checking info. Of course, it's important to have the internet access, and here you can sign in into the Google account. So let me do it. Let's enter the email. Tap next. Now it's time to enter the password. If you are ready, let's choose next right here. Tap agree to terms of service and privacy policy. The phone is checking info. Let's tap accept to enable backup to Google Drive. The backup includes apps and app history, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Tap OK, and that's it. Here you've got your active backups. Here you've got your Google backup account, and everything went well. Now you can use your device with your Google backup. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.